What's up, guys? So not earlier, about kind of a month ago, our algae eater, he unfortunately died from our other fish, the koi, and he was just, floating up there, and we expected that our koi unfortunately ate him. So we are at Walmart. We are at Meijer right now, and we were just looking at the tanks, and they're not that bad priced, but we're thinking of getting a new algae eater, just seeing if we can find any bigger ones. So if we do find a bigger one, we're gonna get it. All right, we'll see you at Petco, guys. Okay, guys, we are at Petco right now, and we are heading inside to go check out the fish. It's a really nice day out, especially when you're in Michigan. Isn't that right, Mom?
Right, Mom.
Okay. Fish over here. Ooh. Yeah, the turtles. These are one of my favorite. Look at these guys. Look at it. Yeah, these guys are cool. I've always wanted a turtle, trust me. I'm trying to find these tarantulas, but it's like they don't have them. These hermit crabs are really cool. Like, look at those. They have designs on them. It's so cool. Ooh, a Brazilian black. That's some type of tarantula. I don't see it though. No, I'm not seeing anything. Oh, a snake. Is this? I think it's like a python. It's a king snake. Oh, look at these. I think these are bearded dragons. Yeah, these are bearded dragons. Look at them. Ooh, how cute they are. Oh, that's a gecko. That is so cool. Okay, we found the fish. Let's start off over here. Whoa, look at this guy. This is a sunburst orange glowfish shark. Look at him. That's really cool. And these are tetras. All those tetras. It's a big one. And we gotta keep it out for the algae eaters. These guys are some koi. Look at these koi. That was a big guy. These are some kind of goldfish. There's a black kind of goldfish, but I don't see him. Look at how big these guys' eyes are. They're so cool. They had baby koi up there. That's really cool. Gotta wait for this worker to leave. These are guppies. Look at those. Not cool. Still haven't seen these algae eaters though. It's not a good thing.
I know there were some baby hippopotamus down here. I can't remember who it was.
Okay, we're gonna go over here the fish stuff real quick. I'm not gonna. Look at him. He's cool. I'm telling you, I've always wanted a turtle. I am so sorry. But I think I scared someone away. I'm so sorry to whoever that was. There's a lot of people here. I don't like it. They're scary. Boogly boogly. Okay, so look at this thing. Like, look how big this thing is. Like, isn't that crazy? Like, look at that. That's unbelievable. Imagine how much fish you can put in there. That's crazy. I don't know what my mom wants. She these are some giant beta. Look at this guy. Whew. Oh, there she is. Let's go get her. Come on. Attack. Sneak attack. Okay. What up? What's up? Showed him all of these guys over there, but I haven't seen any algae eaters. Look at these guys. These are like cool colors. I like those stripes. Look at all of these. I'm not seeing any.
There's a couple, or at least one in there. There's two. The other one's on the wait, you did see it. Did you have any more precautions stuff? Because I couldn't say I remember seeing any. Yeah,
Bad thing. They don't know if they have any algae eaters so far. Where'd they say they were, Ma?
What is the difference between that and an algae eater? Yeah. Oh. I was just looking it up. Here, if you want to read. I was looking up if they get along with betas. I got a beta.
Oh, look at these ghost shrimp.
I guess they can get up to 10 inches when they're adults. The Chinese ones, I mean, the cosmos will too, but they're a lot less aggressive when they're adults. Okay.
This woman's a fish expert.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is that a Precostinus? I don't know what these are. I'm confused. You'd think Petco would have Precostinus.
So tiny. We have a couple of koi fish, and they killed our last one. Yeah, I don't know nothing about fish. Trying to ask Bill your question. Are they?
Look at these guys. Crazy.
Probably, I don't know, not big.
How big was the algae eater? Was it bigger than this one? See him on the back?
I see him. No, actually, he was smaller than that.
Yeah, he should have messed that one.
Okay. All right. Well, that's the one we need then.
Oh, we found him. Let's look for him. Where is he?
On the back of that pipe.
He's right there. Look at him. It's pretty good size.
The other one was smaller than that, wasn't it?
Yeah. They say they get bigger when they're adult. These are some big fish.
Mm-hmm.
We get some of these in a. Oh, where's those angelfish at? And where up top?
That's just one fish?
Yeah.
Alright.
Down there, look.
Here's this.
It's a tetra. Yeah, it's a tetra. They're trying to get him.
Yeah, he wants no part of it.
This is so cool. Oh, they almost got him. He's a fast little guy. I think they're about to get him. They almost got him. Oh, they got him.
Yeah, they got him.
Took a bath.
Yeah.
This is a pretty big tank.
This is crazy. Good job.
The purchase card. I gotta give this to the cash register.
Oh. Look at that fish up there. There's like a red thing on his head. That is really cool. There's a dog in here.
Remind me the next time that we need cat litter, I need to come here and get it.
Why?
Because they have a super good deal on cat litter here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama, the aquariums.
Thank you very much.
Yep. You
Have a
guys
great day.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, that's what I'll show you.
Oh, look at him. He's cool. Where are we going? There's crickets. Ew.
If I buy this bucket,
That bucket.
it's $12. But if I come to refill it, it's only 10.
Oh. Okay.
If I buy that little guy, it's $8. But if I come back to refill it, it's only 6.
Okay.
And that's
All right,
when you
guys.
refill it on.
Yeah. Okay, so we got our algae eater. We are gonna go back. We're gonna go pay for him, and we'll see you at the house. All right, guys, I am back home. Got our algae eater. Let's open her up. Or him. Hey, I'm not assuming their gender, whatever it is. But here he is. Her, him. There he is. But yeah. Hold on. Let me get her or him unboxed. Okay, guys. We got the costumist right here. Let's put her in. Him. Her. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I have trouble sometimes. But in there, now we have to let it about 30 minutes. Let him in there. And yeah. I'll update you guys when we can open it. Alright. See you guys then. Okay guys, it's officially been 30 minutes and we can release the Picassomus. So set you guys right there so you can see me perfectly. Okay, just gonna, I know you can't see me do this right now because I can't do it with one hand. Uh-oh. I just broke the light. Well, I didn't break it, it just fell off. That water is cold. Screw this, I'm getting scissors. Okay, got the scissors. Cut this open now. Oop. Okay. Alright, here we go. Gonna let him go. Just gonna do this real quick, let the water settle in there. Gonna go out on his own. Oh, look, he's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Oh, he's in. There he goes. I don't know if you can see him. He went behind the thing. And then he's gonna hide, but... Cool, huh? Let's put that in the trash. Whew, now my hands are disgusting. But, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll update you later. Look at it's so oh, so cool. Oh, there he is right there. Oh, there he is. Welcome, little guy. Okay, I'm gonna leave this up to you guys. Whoever picks the best name for him wins. If there's a lot of people who has names, I'll do a drawing, and whoever wins, that's the name for the Picostomus. Oh, and stay tuned, because me and my dad, we might be going fishing today, and if I catch anything, I'll keep the video going, and if we don't have any luck, just scrap the video out, and I'll tell you guys if we post it or not. But, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.